Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. Hi guys, today we celebrated Christmas in our institute. You can see the Christmas tree, and this is how you wish Merry Christmas in German and French. You can also see the pictures of the students on the bulletin board. So these are the students who learned French and German from here and have went abroad. These are the cards made by the students of Zenith Institute. So Merry Christmas to everyone and a happy and a prosperous New Year. If you want to learn German and French, please subscribe to our channel Zenith Institute. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Zenith Institute.